In the realm of modern education, custom essay writing services spark heated debates. Yet, embracing platforms like BigEssays can enhance learning. With academic pressure soaring, these services offer a lifeline, aiding overwhelmed students in managing assignments effectively. Critics argue they compromise learning, but a balanced approach unveils the benefits. Such services provide access to expertly crafted papers, aiding comprehension of complex subjects. For international students or those facing language barriers, well-written essays offer clarity. These platforms also serve as templates, fostering writing skills and promoting coherent argumentation. Quality and ethics are paramount in this landscape. BigEssays, for instance, prioritizes originality and authenticity, aligning with responsible usage. It's not about evading work, it's about utilizing tools that aid growth. Amidst debates, responsible platforms offer respite and contribute to student success.